Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So as we know that this is Talapati's birthday month,
Yes.
so we thought let's start with some of the mashups. So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the Talapati Vijay evolution from 1984 to 2020.
Yes. So this is the rise of a brand.
Yes.
I really like this line. The rise of a brand.
Of course, Talapati a brand.
He's a brand only.
Yes.
He's a brand, and his lifestyle is a brand. His whole thing is a brand. Whenever he, stands up on the stage and talking
Right.
about his movies and the mankind and every single thing about his followers, every single thing, it is a brand only. It is looking like a brand, obviously. And
course.
yes, we are so much glad to give the reaction on this video. So let's get started because 1984 से लेके 2020 तक क्या journey है उनका.
Mostly they
we
will
be
cover the
reacting.
movie's name.
हाँ,
and all,
movie names
right?
and some scenes or something.
And this
maybe.
is pretty much short video, so we
हाँ.
thought we start with this video and
Yes.
we'll be continuing much more videos.
Much
going
more
forward.
videos going forward.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's get started. But उससे पहले, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
Wait, 3.
Okay, the first movie as a child character.
மிஸ்டர் மேத்தா கடைசியா ஒன்னு சொல்றேன் இந்த தெய்வம் இருக்கிற வீட்ல இனிமே எந்த வரக்கூடாது
Hindu Pandi.
Wow.
Bombay City Sukar Roti Pitta Par Sevat Kutti
President.
ஐயோ அலமேலு ஆவின் பசும்பாலு தொட்டு புட்ட கொட்டி போடும் தேளு அப்பா
Chandralekha.
Here they didn't mention here. Right?
yes, हाँ.
Vishnu, 95. That's great.
Wow, means
1996.
like
Every
awesome.
year.
Every year. I
Love
really
today.
like the evolution.
Yes.
From the very beginning, right? Wow.
அந்த அண்ணனுக்கு தான் ராக்கி கட்டுவீங்களா இந்த அண்ணனுக்குலாம் கட்ட மாட்டீங்களா ராக்கி கட்டுங்க எப்படியும் நீ என்ன விரும்பலன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன் ஸோ நான் உன் காதல்
1997.
1997.
அதில் வீரம் உன் காதல்
Priya Mudan. Okay.
அதில் வீரம் உன் காதல்
1999.
Every
All
year.
of them, every alternate year, means every year he is doing.
Yes. Sara Khanna, 1999.
Khushi.
Kushi.
So we have
done some of the scenes. Yes.
of this movie, yes.
And some comedy scenes are there maybe in this
Yes.
movie.
2000.
Wow. Friends.
And this is the
This
remarkable,
is
right?
remarkable
For
movie,
everybody.
yes.
Everybody.
Truly amazing.
Badri. Badri we haven't done,
Badri
but
we
had
have done,
planned.
but we have a
Yes.
plan actually. Yes.
Shahjahan,
Shahjahan.
2001. A lot of the movie. This was in 2002. Okay. Youth.
Yes.
How he's changing also, right?
Ah.
He's becoming young.
Seriously, he's becoming young as the days pass.
Yeah.
Tirumalai.
This one, Gilli.
Gilli.
The remarkable.
Ooh.
First 50 crore movie.
Yes. ये सॉन्ग बहुत एकदम फेमस है ये सॉन्ग.
2004. 2005.
जी.
Tiruchirappalli.
सचिन.
And again, the one another remarkable movie.
पोखरी. अरे सब बैक टू बैक तो निकल रहा है.
Back to back hits.
बैक टू बैक हिट्स.
Exactly. 2007.
कुरुवी.
Ruby. 2008.
Villu.
Villu. This is also. This is
That
also
one,
good.
sir. वो
Yeah.
बाद में लुका.
Yeah. Super.
Yes.
2009. Sura.
Sura.
So this also I liked it. This didn't do well, but I
Yes.
like this movie.
Kavalan.
Oh, this song. This
This
super.
song is my favorite.
Yes. And now
Nanban.
Nanban.
Another blockbuster.
Yes.
Tupaki.
And now Tupaki. Woo. This is super.
Talaiva.
Talaiba, huh? This is also a good
Ah.
movie. Jilla.
Jilla.
Yeah. Jilla we have done, right?
Yes, Jilla you have done. Yeah.
Kangani, Kangani.
Ha.
Ati, wow.
Katti.
And back
Press
to back,
meet scene.
back to
Famous
back
wala.
blockbuster.
Pulli.
Okay. Pulli didn't do well, but yes.
I really like this movie,
Yeah.
by the way.
Oh,
Teri.
the
My favorite.
remarkable movie.
This is my favorite, okay?
Yes.
Bhairava.
Bhairava. Bhairava is also.
Marcel.
Oh,
Marcel.
now back to back top class movie is coming. Ooh. And
This
this,
was Sarkar.
this one.
This song we have done.
Top Takar,
Top Takar, Top Takar.
Bigil.
Bigil, your favorite.
Yes, my favorite one. Oof.
Up now,
now.
the master, final.
Master. Talapati.
And this is
Okay,
the
and this is the
last.
upcoming one. Talapati 65.
65. We are eagerly waiting
Wow.
for this. Nice mashup, nice, very wonderfully created.
Short, but yes,
Very
they have
short video,
they have
but
covered
yes.
each and every movie whatever
Yeah.
he has done, and I think it's a pleasure for our eyes also to watch this kind of things whatever
Very
he has
true.
done,
Yes.
and it's of course it's a great achievement also. Each year, almost one movie he is doing.
He has done, and I think all of the movies, like except 1 or 2 or 3 movies, all of the movies are super hit and people are crazy for
yes.
those movie. If this movie, some of the movies of Talapati Vijay sir will be coming on TV, no, I will sit and I will start watching because that much interesting and always like Talapati Vijay ka movie में एक जोश होता है. One spark will be there. You can't not even register yourself. You just sit and watch, yaar,
All time
like
favorite
that.
is Theory. If
Yes.
that comes, of course,
Oh
you'll
my
be able
God.
to. You will be forced to sit there.
Forced to sit there. You just
won't
have
be
to
able
sit.
to
You
stand.
can't.
Right?
Yes.
Theory
इवन
is that
मास्टर
level.
ऑल्सो मास्टर भी अगर आ जाता है या फिर थेरी
हाँ,
बिगिल भी
last
आ जाता है
week-
मार्शल
last week only I was watching that movie again.
मास्टर अगेन यस
Yes.
सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी वॉच्ड आई थिंक 5-6 times so I thought okay you just sit and watch today okay so that was awesome and yes one more thing I noticed that from the very beginning he has done his figure and everything like we all know that he has not done that gym and all people already
That
have
much
told
he has done,
but
but yes.
his physique very
Physical
fit
fitness, yes, he take care of that.
हाँ he's from the very beginning एकदम पहले से जो भी movies हम देखे हैं his fitness was like outstanding it was very visible towards the eyes right क्योंकि एकदम पूरा well fit body जहाँ पे वो डांस कर रहे थे song कर रहे थे पूरा लग रहा था
Exactly. I feel like he is becoming younger.
Younger.
People generally used to become
Yes.
older day by
हाँ.
day, but he is becoming younger.
younger
I felt like that
very
only.
true master में तो मतलब he is looking like 20 years old guy
Yes.
to be very frank man less than that only master में मैं देखी थी ना थिएटर में I was just screaming that time कि my goodness this
Like a
person is
college
looking
student
like a
and all.
college student only
Yes, exactly. And in that announcements of Talapati 65,
65, there also.
he was also not looking like he is above 40.
हाँ
Right?
truly
I
amazing
think
man
we are looking like older than him.
seriously and we are hoping that this year this birthday will bring you a lot of happiness
Yes.
Talapati Vijay sir please stay safe stay healthy and we are eagerly waiting for Talapati 65
Yes,
at
of
least the name of the movie so that we can tell the name
Yes.
mention the movie as its
Name
name
or
original
first
name
poster,
first
first look,
poster कुछ
anything,
भी
anything.
चलेगा यार we are eagerly waiting
Because
and
it will take some more
genuinely
time for that
हाँ.
because they haven't started properly means they have started I think some of the people you were telling
earlier
that
have told,
but
yes,
I don't think they have started so rigorously they need some time because lockdown and all it's going on so
क्योंकि
it's very
सेटअप
tough.
भी करना पड़ेगा
Yes, and
बाहर में
lot
आउटडोर
of people
शूटिंग्स है
gatherings and
Yes.
all it will be there so it will be
हाँ,
tough
it will
in
be
this
very
kind
tough.
of situation
Maybe
so
they
that's
have
why.
started a little bit जो भी घर में बैठे जो भी सीन्स है मे बी दे आर कवरिंग दोस
Maybe.
बट एक मूवी में तो बाहर भी जाना पड़ता है
Yes, of
बहुत
course.
सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व रहता है तो मे
Right.
बी दिस मूवी मे टेक टाइम बट वी आर होपिंग
But
दैट
yes, we are
जल्दी
eagerly
से आ
waiting.
जाए वी आर
Yes.
eagerly waiting
Yes,
really
exactly.
seriously
Exactly. And his evolution is really a great kind. Like it's not about he started a career when he grown up and after
No,
finishing
from the
college,
very,
but from the very beginning, from when you were child only, that time he started, and that was also awesome movie. He was a child actor
Child
that
actor
time, but
only,
he
yes.
has played a brilliant role in that movie as well. Because
so that actually
we
proved
have seen.
that actually proved, because he has started his career as a child actor, no, so that only proved that okay, he has the knowledge of acting
Yes.
from the very beginning.
Right. And he
हम
can
वो
grab
सोचते हैं ना,
any
he
kind
can
of
grab any kind of acting.
acting
That
skill.
only proved.
Yes.
Like whichever actors are starting their career from the age of teenager or from the age of 20 or 30 ka age mein, those actor may have to learn a lot of things because they are not into this field for a so long time, but he is from the very long time, so he is the master of everything.
And
Okay,
of course, he has done well in
Well,
his movies.
in his
That's
movies
why,
also,
That's
yes.
why he used to get back to back every year some or the other movies.
एकदम एकदम
Of course, if
छोटे
you are
बच्चे
doing
का जो
well,
रोल कर रहे थे ना वो एक्टर चाइल्ड
we have
एक्टर का,
we have done some reaction on
there
that video
also he was doing like it's pro, like a pro only. We saw some of the videos. If you have not seen the reaction, please go and search the name of the movie and write down Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. You will see the our reaction
I think
on
we
that
can try out some movie scene from there.
from
that
from
movie,
from
right?
that movie. Yes,
Yes, we
so
should try
तलपति
it.
का बर्थडे आ रहा है, तलपति विजय सर का, so we are planning a lot for his birthday and yes, birthday mashups तो रहेंगे ही, reaction रहेंगे साइड बाय साइड, बहुत सारी मूवी का रिएक्शन भी हम देने का सोच रहे हैं. So please stay tuned for this and yeah, make sure that subscribe our both of the all of the channels. We have 3 channels only, so please subscribe all of those because हमारा जो रिएक्शन रहेगा तीनों चैनल में मिल बांट के हम
Distributed,
करेंगे,
yes,
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड
exactly.
रहेंगे, तो आप एक भी मिस मत कीजिए. ठीक है, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Talapati Spark is going on now and we are so
And
feeling happy.
celebration has started.
Yes.
But yes, one thing I will tell, and even Talapati itself, he will tell that take care of yourself.
Yes.
Be at home only. Don't
Be at home.
go out for celebration and all.
No.
Whatever celebration you want to do, stay at home, stay
Yes.
safe, and do everything whatever you want at home only.
At home only. I still remember I have painted Talapati Vijay ka
Last year,
picture,
yes.
right, and also I have sang a song.
Yes.
So
It's still
I
there.
thought it's still there on our channel. That was an honor actually for me to give that contribution from my side.
Right.
I know I'm not a pro both in singing and in painting. People have criticized a lot, I think, but still that
But
was
still,
my
if
pleasure.
If you're
that was
trying
my
something for
pleasure.
anybody,
Yes.
it's your pleasure, right?
Very
Of course,
true.
you're trying something.
So this year also I'm thinking to sing a song for Talapati Vijay sir. That is a surprise, okay? So yes, stay tuned for that. Let's wait. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys. Please, please, please. That is very needed. Please do connect it with our channel. And also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends, family, all the Talapati Vijay lovers.
Yes.
Okay? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.